Don't drop the egg now. I want to open one.
We're the pure boys, and we'll be alright. We'll be alright.
Raylan, I love you. Your turn. Okay. I love you. No, Kendra. I love you.
Oh, snap. Girls, they're here!
Oh my gosh, they're here! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, they're here! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Here! Raylan, come on, they're here, they're here! They're here. Gosh, they're here. There's a lot of them in here.
Got it?
Yep.
So exciting.
So excited! Hi, Peapod. It's Ari, and this is my Hatchimal Bella. I started getting into Hatchimals 2 years ago. I saw the ads, and I just had to have one. So for Christmas, I asked my pop-up and grandma to get me one, and they did. Bella is an adult now, and I know that because she sings a happy birthday song every time she has a birthday and she grows up. First she starts as a baby, to kid, to grown up. I don't know why they skipped teenager. It's weird. She can eat, she can get cold, she can get hungry, and she needs to have hugs. And she gets angry. Oh yeah, she can talk.
Why don't you make it talk?
Okay, I'll feed her first. Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. Booyaka, shabarake. There are so many. Whoa. They start right there. I don't think I can count. One, they are so cute. Look, the stays are not open. They have a nest in here. They have a little nest. Yeah. What are you supposed to do to open these? So cool. Wait, to open these, Daddy. What is this? No, we can't open that. Can't put no.
That's for the mommies and daddies.
What? The instructions. There's so many.
Ah.
There's a big pack. The small ones. The small little packs. So many Hatchimals. We are the Hatchimal Queens. Let's get this box out of here. They have Teal. I just want to have a Hatchimal party. They have Hatchimal party. They start watching cracking. Now comes the good part. We get to pick the Hatchimals that we get to keep. Yeah, Hatchimals! The teal one. I'm gonna take the pink one. I love it. Like this is 4 bonus, this is 4 bonus, this is 1 dozen. This is 1 dozen. They are each the same if they are the same kind of pack. Well, the difference between the eggs is that they have different kind of colors. You see this one is kind of orangey yellow. This one is like a bluish purple kind of dot. They're kind of like freckles. Thank you. see what it's inside. I'm so excited. We can get rare, ultra rare, legendary, and epic. I just opened the top. Open the whole Hatchimal bag, Ariana. Oh, the egg inside. It's so cute. Okay, so these ones, they just have little eggs inside.
So that's one egg in
Are
there.
we gonna open
And
this
then
one
these
now?
ones have 2 eggs.
And they come with the nest to help you crack them in. You can crack them.
Okay.
You start with rubbing, Ari.
So the small ones don't have a nest. The individual
Yeah,
packs?
these don't have a nest.
Okay.
What's in there? Did you take it out since we already opened it? Did you take it? What's in there? Where is it? Okay.
Little eggs.
All right.
And then
Oh, so
the egg carton. Why don't you pick up
Oh,
the
it
egg?
shows how to open them. But I'll guess I'll tell you.
Where's the directions?
Egg.
Hand me the directions. I'm just gonna put it with the egg.
I already know how to open all the eggs. For them.
Do you think
Wait.
it's the same? Do you think it's the same process as the big Hatchimal?
It's not the same process as the big Hatchimal. The big Hatchimal, she has to crack it with her beak.
Yeah, you had a lot of rubbing to do. Remember?
Yeah, but you have to rub the bottom. This time you have to rub like the heart.
Oh, okay.
You see the hearts that's on them?
Oh, okay.
You have to rub it until it turns pink, and then it will crack open if you just pull it open.
All right, so the girls are setting some aside because we're going to be doing a giveaway. And we're going to be giving away all of these Hatchimals.
I want to open them. Don't drop the egg now. I want to open one. Wait. No. Nobody. No. No, you're going to crack it. I think I'm supposed to crack it.
Okay. So
Rub it.
it says to
Rub
hold the
it.
egg in your hands. Rub the heart. When it changes from purple to pink, it's ready to hatch.
I told you.
Mm-hmm. The speckles on the egg tell you which family it's from.
All right, hold in your hand, Moose, and
Hold
then
in your
rub the
hand
heart.
And rub the heart.
Oh, it's transforming to pink.
Oh, yeah, let me know when it gets there.
Ah, a little bit of you there.
Rub the heart. Rub the heart. You see how it's getting pink?
Yeah.
Okay, and then it says, when it's ready to hatch, it says, gently press above the heart with your thumb to crack. No.
Is it ready?
Continue pushing until the egg top can be removed. On top of the heart, right? Gently press.
Cracking.
Oh, yeah.
It's cracking. What should I do?
No, just keep gently pressing. Continue pushing until the egg top can be removed. So maybe you can go all the way around, you know?
Cracking.
Keep rubbing, Moose. It's still purple.
Awesome.
Turning it.
And what's great about the one that you just birthed, hatched?
Oh, it's purple just like its mom.
Yes.
And just like the heart. Now how do I get it out? How do I get this baby out? It's a little fox! It's so cute! I didn't open it first. It's so cute. It's so little. I didn't crack it. Is that Raylan's? Or did you open another
This
one?
is yours that you just had.
Oh.
It says the bottom of, because one of them doesn't have a nest, right? It said the bottom of the egg can be used in the nest.
I think it's the rubbing. The bottom of the egg can be used as a nest, like this part. Oh, mommy.
Mommy has a lot in her hands right now.
It's turning
turning pink, baby.
And I'm gonna put.
It is. You rubbing, Woozy? Keep rubbing. Keep rubbing, baby. Keep rubbing. Keep going.
Pink.
Keep going.
I'm gonna rub this other one. See if I can open it. Pink!
All right. Now press and push it. Oops.
It's easy for me to make it pink because
Push it. Push it and crack it so the baby can come out.
Which one is it? It's pink! Just like the mom! Oh my gosh, we have matching babies! Rocket. Maybe we'll get a little bit of green or blue in there because she has like green and blue. And pink and purple. And color changing eyes. So we could just have a rainbow pet. Let's see. Let's see what's in it. Pink. Okay. Mine is ready to come out and be hatched. Just need to crack some. Our little one! It's pink! Oh, it's so
You see it?
cute. So this is my Hatchimal. And she's so cute and I love her.
Aww.
And she's sparkly. And she's a princess who flies on the sky. Alright guys, we're done with opening them. We're going to play with these and make sure you watch out for the giveaway video. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you Hatchimals. Hey people, it's Ari. If you liked this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you didn't already, hit that notification bell. And remember to live, love. Peace.